Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. Wanted to provide you with an update. In looking at the docket, it's very early in the morning on the 19th of March, 2025. It appears that yesterday, the 18th of March, the Clerk of Court's notations of what was filed on March 17th, 2025 with respect to objections and responses to motions in limine by the state and the defense were docketed. These items have not yet appeared on the public docket. Some of them will likely not appear because they are reflected to be what appears to be sealed documents. But let's take a look at what some of these items say or how they're described by the Clerk of Court. You have to go to page 77 of the case summary page, and you will see at the top of that page the second item is a PDF document, so that suggests that this will be a public document that should appear on the docket at some point. It says, objection. Defendant's objection to state's motion in limine regarding alternative perpetrator evidence. Then we see, if we continue to go down, response, defendant's response to state's motion in limine regarding neuropsychological and psychiatric evidence. And then if we go to the bottom, you will see that the last item is a sealed document. We know that because it has a little lock and key icon. And this is subject document, motion to redact or seal, newly filed record, exhibits 1 and 2 in support of objection to state's motion in limine regarding text messages and testimony. Going on to the next page, 78, it continues with multiple other filings, beginning with, this is a sealed document dated March 17th, 2025, as all of these entries are. Subject document, motion to redact or seal, newly filed record, Exhibit 1, 2, and 3 in support of objection to state's motion in limine regarding AT&T timing advance records. And it continues. We see towards the middle of the page, March 17th, 2025, response, state's response to defendant's motion to strike DP regarding autism spectrum disorder, and so on. So you can, if you go on to the Ada County case summary page, follow the link that I have provided in the description to this podcast episode, you will be able to read what has been documented by the clerk regarding all of the responses, all of the objections, all of the exhibits that were filed by the state and or the defense in meeting Judge Hippler's March 17th, 2025 court-ordered deadline. We look forward to seeing these documents appear on the docket. Hopefully it will be later on today, if not today, tomorrow. They should appear on the docket because they are PDF documents, but you will recall that when the motions in limine were originally filed by the defense back on the 24th of February, that a few days later on the 28th, the court entered an order putting them under seal temporarily. They were thereafter filed onto the docket as public records. So there stands the possibility that Judge Hippler may do the same with the responses. We're going to wait and see. When they begin to hit the docket, we will, of course, notify you so that you can read them for yourself. And in the interim, I want to thank you very much for joining us here today.